Repel is gearing up for a mid-month SRP to keep our paratroopers mission ready. During our recovery period, we are focusing on key maintenance and inspections, ensuring the motor pools, arms rooms, barracks are all squared away. Repel has also been busy supporting various operations and training. Lifeline Company ran a brigade-level land navigation course training 55 paratroopers. Kingsman Company showcased their skills at the International Rigger Rodeo, strengthening bonds with NATO riggers. Recently, Kingsman also hosted a ribbon-cutting ceremony at Aviano, increasing our readiness capabilities. Wildcard Company performed recovery operations on more than 90 pieces of equipment from Sable Junction 24. Banding Company tackled difficult maintenance tasks and scheduled services for the battalion. Valkyrie Company focused on taking care of our soldiers with admin tasks, supply room operations and recovery, communications, and seaborne operations. We have made big strides, and moving forward, we have soldier-focused activities such as Chaplain Waters competition, Battalion Sports Day, and Thanksgiving festivities. Team Repel is staying sharp, mission-focused, and ready for the challenges ahead. To our utmost.